Hello fitness freaks, this is Metallics Gym. I'm here today with the most important topic in every fitness enthusiast's life. Do you want to get more fit or do you want to get more muscles? Then the next few minutes are more valuable to you. Just concentrate and follow up with me. Let's start. What are carbs? Why we need them? Firstly, what are carbs? Carbohydrates, are also called carbs, are a type of macronutrient found in certain foods and drinks. Sugars, starches, and fiber are carbohydrates. Other macronutrients include fat and protein. Your body needs these macronutrients to stay healthy. There are three main types of carbs. Sugars. They are also called simple carbohydrates because they are in the most basic form of carbohydrates. Starches. They are complex carbohydrate which are made of lots of simple sugar strung together. Fiber. It is also a complex carbohydrates, but we need fiber most. There are many synonyms of carbs. They are as follows: cellulose, glucose, and lactose. Starch, disaccharide fructose, monosaccharide, polysaccharide, simple carbohydrates, and etc. Why we need to eat before workout? Why? Read it carefully, you will get it. Studies suggest that eating or drinking carbohydrates before exercise can improve workout performance and may allow you to work out for a longer time or at a higher intensity. If you don't eat, you might feel sluggish or lightheaded when you exercise. What happens if we work out with an empty stomach? Working out on an empty stomach is commonly known as fasted cardio. When you exercise on an empty stomach, you may burn valuable energy sources and have less stamina. Low blood sugar levels may also leave you a feeling like lightheaded, nauseous, or shaky feeling. Another possibility is that your body will adjust to a continually using fat reserves for energy and start to store more fat than usual. Your body will start cutting down your muscle strength if you do workout with an empty stomach or with less energy. So you have to take carbohydrates more and proteins more. What to eat before and after doing workout? First of all, let's see pre-workout diet. Power up. The right foods before and after exercise can boost your results. Like a car uses gas, your body burns carbohydrates as fuel. They give you the energy to power through that jog or fitness class. When you are done, refueling with a combination of protein and carbs can help you rebuild muscle. Eat second one. Time it right. Aim to have a snack or meal 1 to 3 hours before your workout. You can have tummy troubles if you chow down right before. That's because more blood goes to your muscle during exercise, leaving less for digestion. After exercise, your body is ready to refuel or rebuild muscle tissue. Eat within an hour of finishing. Then third one, oatmeal with low fat milk and fruit. Do you work out in the morning? If yes, start your day with a bowl of high fiber oatmeal and fruit. Your body digests the carbs in this combo more slowly, so your blood sugar stays steadier. You will feel energized for a longer. For an extra dose of protein and bone building calcium, stir it in some low fat milk. Fourth one, fruit and yogurt smoothie. Smoothies are easy to digest, so you won't feel sluggish during your workout and you don't feel heavier. But many store-bought versions are high in added sugar. Wipe up your own version with protein-rich yogurt and fruit, which packs in energy-boosting carbs. Blend it with water or ice to help you to stay hydrated throughout your workout. Research shows that not getting enough fluids can zap your strength and endurance. It will make you to feel dehydrated during workout. And when it comes to fifth one, it's trail mix and protein shake. It's known as a hiking staple, but trail mix is good snack for any workout. Raisins give you a quick hit of energy that's easy on the stomach. Mix a small handful of them with a few almonds, which are high in protein and heart-healthy unsaturated fat. They also have an antioxidant that may help your body use oxygen better and give you better exercise results. If you are doing a workout as soon as when you wake up, protein shakes plays an important role to make you up faster and gives you more strength throughout the workout. And sixth one, banana. The most common thing that everyone will suggest. Only have 5 or 10 minutes before your workout? If yes, take snack on a banana. Their easy to digest carbs power you up without weighing you down. They are also a good source of antioxidants and potassium, a mineral that may help prevent muscle cramps. Toss on into your gym bag for a last minute snack. And when it comes to post workout diet, we have to see these things. The first most thing, egg and whole wheat toast. The toast carbs put back the energy you burnt during exercise, while its fiber keeps your blood sugar levels even. Serve it with an egg to boost your results. They are a complete protein, which means they have all 9 of essential amino acids your body uses to build muscle. No time for a post-workout scramble? Pack a hard-boiled egg with a whole grain roll-off. When it comes to second one, chocolate milk. This childhood favorite has an ideal ratio of carbs to protein, about 4:1, to refuel and rebuild your muscle strength. One study found that athletes who had a glass after a workout recovered faster than those who had a carb-only sports beverage. Plus, chocolate milk is 90% water, so it replaces some of the fluids you lose during exercise. And the third one, whole grain turkey wrap. After you wrap up your workout, wipe up this easy snack or lunch. The whole grains give you high fiber carbs, while the turkey has 19 grams of protein per 3 ounces of serving. Swap the mayo for creamy avocado. It's high in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that can fend off muscle cramps. Bonus: avocado is also packed with heart healthy, unsaturated fat, and plenty of vitamins. And the fourth one, salmon with sweet potato. This fish is high in protein and omega 3s, heart healthy fats that can ease the post workout muscle inflammation that causes soreness. Pair salmon with a sweet potato baked in its skin for 23 grams of carbs and 3.8 grams of fiber to keep you full. You will also get all the immune boosting vitamin A you need in a day. Serve your sweet potato roasted or mashed, but skip the high calorie butter and cream. And the fifth one, use a drizzle of olive oil instead. The fifth one, chicken, brown rice and veggies. There's a reason skinless chicken breast is thought of as slimmed down food. Half of one pack in 27 gram of protein is only 142 calories. It also has a lot of vitamin B6, a nutrient important for your immune system. Serve it with brown rice and veggies for the right combination of carbs and nutrients. The sixth one and the last one, during and after, drink up to stay hydrated. Make sure you have plenty of water. How much? If you don't know, use these following guidelines. Before exercise, about 2 to 3 cups. During exercise, about half to 1 cup every 15 to 20 minutes. After exercise, about 2 to 3 cups for every pound you lose during exercise. You can weigh yourself before and after your workout. One last thing and one main thing. What are the foods that we have to avoid during pre and post and the middle of the workout? Foods to avoid. Steer clear of rich, greasy foods. Fat takes your body longest to digest, which can lead to an upset stomach. For some people, lots of fiber or protein does not mix with exercise. Every body is different, so pay attention to what works for you. If you are taking part in a race, such as 5K, stick with the tried and true snacks and meals. Foods to avoid during workout. For an optimal gym session, avoid these 7 foods for drinks. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in fiber, which is of course good for body. Protein bars. Don't be fooled by protein bars sold in supermarkets. Fast foods, dairy products, sugars, eggs and spicy foods. You have to avoid these foods for a good gym session or good workout. Follow this diet, you will definitely get unexpected results. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.